Alright, so we have Teddy over here. Hello, Teddy. Hi. How are you? Bring you up to the top.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. That's what Teddy says. You want to be tickled?
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Alright, Teddy, I gotta go show off your friends.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
No, I gotta go show you off your friends. Alright, that's Julie. She's mean. I'm not gonna let her out because she'll try to bite me. We have the chickens. Some of them. They're mean. Alright, Teddy, I'll be right back. You guys will hear him start screaming. There's a little gazebo out here where the rest of the birds are kept. Hey, chicken. Alright, so this is the pair of orange wing. It's Yogi and Boo Boo. Yogi is on the right and Boo Boo's on the left. I'm not going to take any of them out because they're about to go back anyway, so I'll let them enjoy their time. And then over here we have Play-Doh. You can see his nasal infection was on the other side, so you can see it right there. Hey! Whoa! So he asked for the scritches, and then he'll bite me if I put my hand up to him. So working on him. And that's Darwin. He is a blue front Amazon, and he's pretty cool. When he fans his tail out, it looks amazing. But he's just chill right now. So I'm not gonna take him out either because few minutes they're all going to be moved to the night cages. Oh, there's Teddy. I'll go back to him. So that's kind of the gazebo that has Yogi, Boo Boo, Play-Doh, and Darwin. So that's just where they hang out. And then in a few minutes, probably about half an hour, I will bring them up here. Hello, chickens. I'll bring them up to the screened-in area for the night. Hello! And this is their night cages. Oh, get out of here, chicken. Come on. Come on, chicken.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Hey, come on now. Alright, so he's out. So that's Plato's night cage. Darwin's, Yogi's, and Boo Boo's. Close this so the chicken doesn't get back in there. Alright. Hi. So I mentioned I don't I'm not positive on his ID. If anybody wants to help me with that. He has these nice orange feathers under here. So he's a good bird, yeah. Yeah, Teddy's a good bird, huh? Teddy's a good bird. Tickle, tickle, tickle. That's what Teddy says. Oh, you're coming down here? Here, let's see if you'll... Come on, Teddy, step on up. Step up, Teddy. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Come on. Hey, step up. No, he just wants tickles. Show your wings. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful, Teddy. Yeah, that's beautiful. You're beautiful. You want the scritches? So hopefully I'll be able to hold him soon. And that's the birds at the NatureScapes Parrot Sanctuary. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Say bye, Teddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Peckle, peckle, peckle.
Yeah, that works.